we're on day 2. We're gonna pull a few more things off this engine, grab the last bell housing bolts, engine mounts, and we're gonna pull this thing out and then do tear down on it. Put the power to it, it doesn't arc out somewhere.
Don't want fireworks?
Not really. Did he bring 1 or 2 of these?
Just 1. And those bolts.
Well, where in the fuck would he have bolted this in? Hey, where did you bolt this in? Oh, and then you just went to the...
Yeah.
I see what you did. It's really too bad that we couldn't have just found a blown up one.
Yeah.
Well, for what we're doing.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a shame to tear a low mile 6.4 apart.
I like his morning attitude. Just grabs it out of your hand, puts it down. Like, this is how it's done, Hendrik. Why are you asking silly questions?
I'm like, well, why the fuck does he only have 1 bracket? I'm like, this is retarded.
He's like, geez, do I gotta do everything?
Yeah. We just installed the right-hand lift plate. And we're gonna throw a piece of chain on there, grab the engine picker, and pull that thing out of there.
What seems to be the issue?
Lots. We gotta try something. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna find out.
Oh, hey, we weren't recording. Can you put it back in?
Fuck you. How about that? Hey! Need your help.
Oh, what you
We gotta swing, I gotta swing this way, but we need to bring that back end at the same time. Well, it's out.
Now what?
Now we're gonna tear down. we're in the stand, so now we're gonna pull valve covers, heads, oil pan, knock the old piston and rods out of it, pull the crank, and then we'll send it off to the machine shop. So for the new valve parts, we're going to be using Texas Speed, springs, retainers, camshaft, pushrods, also a set of their new roller lifters.
Anything new on the ignition side?
I haven't upsold him on that yet.
Oh, yet. But he should have.
I was contemplating it when I was pulling this apart yesterday. I'm like, why are we not upgrading the ignition? We're adding fuel, we're adding boost. So I'll look at that. I'll see what's out there.
Nice change of pace working on something this clean.
It is actually.
I don't even think I've ever seen your hands this clean.
They're still pretty dirty.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna send the heads out and have them gone through, new valve job on them, have them surfaced, make sure they're truly flat. These are the head bolts.
Just fucking with it.
And they're going straight in the garbage can. They are no longer required.
We're gonna upgrade those guys too.
Yeah, we're gonna upgrade those head bolts to a set of ARPs. As you can see, we got this thing all tore down now. Pistons, rods are out, cranks out, oil squirters are out. We're gonna pull some gallery plugs out of it, block heater, a couple of sensors. We're gonna stick it in the parts washer and then ship her off to the machine shop. That's it, off to the parts washer. Looks good. We just wanted to cook the old oil out of it so we can stick it in the machine without hot tanking it. No, just wash the dirty water out of it. Day 2 is done. Finished pulling the engine. We tore it down. Parts that are going to the machine shop are in the parts washer just to wash the major oil and dirt and stuff off for them over there. They'll get it all in the machines, get the line hone checked, check the bores, give it a quick surface, go through the heads, clean them up. Then we'll start installing some new parts.